Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us from Topeka, and then joining us from right next door, Roger Drager, who actually farms on the land right here around the station, and he is here for a very important reason.
Each month we have a theme, and this month is Bake and Take Month, but it's also National Agriculture Month. So it's great that we can involve our local soybean farmers and talk about agriculture. He is going to talk about that a little bit while we make some wonderful blueberry banana muffins. And these is part of Bake and Take Month, which we join forces with the Kansas Sweet Commission, use our good soy ingredients to make some baked gifts. And Bake and Take is where you bake something and take it to someone. So this is a great recipe that you can involve your kids, Chris, in making. You have an egg here, and Roger's going to add vegetable oil. He's going to add the soy milk that we have and some bananas there. You're going to stir that up. Here I have our flour, sugar, our baking powder, baking soda here. I'm going to stir that all together. And then I like to add the blueberries because that coats them and separates them. So Roger, you tell us some tips about agriculture and how important it is for soybean farmers in our area.
Agriculture is real important in this area. The soybean oil that's used in these products, in Kansas is 13th nationally in soybean production, and soy oil is used in many products in our area. So we do appreciate everyone's usage of these products.
Great. Okay.
We've mentioned that soy is in a number of things that folks don't realize. Really, like you mentioned, but there's so many that they don't realize that soy is part of them. That we talked last week just about vegetable oil. That's the only ingredient in vegetable oil.
It is soybean oil. And soy is used in over 1,000 soy-based products nationally. Not just cooking, but it's it's in many places in the nation that people do not realize.
And Chris, you're asking, I'll let you add this to our dry mixture, but you ask, why do we need soy? And besides promoting our local producers, that's important. We need 25 grams of soy protein every single day, and that helps reduce the risk of heart disease. And when you look at the 25 grams in this particular recipe, we have the soy milk. So that's providing some of that soy protein too. Now you added the liquid, and so we want to just stir it until we don't see any dry ingredients. This is a great recipe for kids to do because we're just using a bowl and a spoon. And then I like to take a dipper here to help portion it out. This will make 12 muffins. Put it in your muffin cups. You can either grease them or you can use paper liners. Bake them at 400 for about 18 to 20 minutes until you put a wooden pick in and it comes out clean. And here we have some mouth-watering muffins because with the ingredients in here and then with the blueberries, you've got a muffin that's going to have blueberries in every bite.
There you go. And of course, again, we've learned so much from you, Charlene, that soy is also tasty.
Yes.
I know that some folks, they don't always associate it. They see the soy word and they think, oh, well, again, without realizing it's in their vegetable oil. But they don't realize, too, how delicious it can be. It can be used for any number of things. And like this recipe here and so many others, where can folks go to get this?
That's right. They should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, or they can also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail them all the recipes for March.
All right, Charlene, Roger, thanks so much for joining us. We will have all of this, of course, on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com, and we'll have more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.